Did you know that the CDC has said that over 60 million Americans have parasites? 60 million Americans have parasites. Americans, like in our country. We hear people all the time, they'll be like, I have candida overgrowth, as if that's the only thing they have. False. If you have candida overgrowth, guess what else you have? You also have a bacterial imbalance, because guess what causes candida overgrowth? A bacterial imbalance. If you have parasites, the parasites are allowing for bacterial imbalances. So when you have one, you have the other. Oh, you have candida, which means you most likely have fungal issues. Mold, for example, you have mycotoxins, right? And guess what? All of these bad pathogens build what's called a biofilm in the system. If you are tired of taking a whack-a-mole approach to all of these pathogens where you're like, I'm going to do a cleanse here, I'm going to do a candida cleanse, a parasite cleanse, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. Stop doing all that. Hit it all at once. If you have one, you have them all. That's just the facts. Go do the research. Go look into it and find out how often candida is linked to a bacterial imbalance, or how often a parasite is linked to a candida overgrowth, and you'll find out they're connected very frequently and very often. So one of the problems that people have when they do these cleanup processes is that they try to hit one and they don't address the other. So imagine this. Imagine you go in and you pound candida, and then you don't address the bacterial imbalance that caused the candida in the first place. You're going to end up in the same spot. You're going to literally start over and over and over again. You're never going to come off of that freaking ride, okay? So we have a different approach. There is a very specific type of silver. It's called Ag404. Not only is it proven to be safe and effective, meaning it's not going to turn you blue, it has a full system capability to go through the entire system and unravel all the bad stuff. We have people rinse with it in their mouth for 15 seconds because it can absorb through the oral mucosa, and it can allow for it to go through the rest of the body. If you have pathogens, whether you know it or not, they have leaked out of your digestive system into the rest of your body. You need an answer for a full system process, and Ag404 is that answer. It is important, though, remember, full system, to rinse with it for 15 seconds. Do that for 15 seconds and then swallow the stuff, right? All right. Please take the quiz if you're interested, and as always with Silver Fern brand, always subscribe and save. It'll always save you money with kits and bundles, and unlike many companies, you can just go into your account and turn it off at any time. Last, and I'm saying this emphatically, we are not trying to resolve major issues in 2 days. So if you want something that is going to like nuke everything in a week, that's antibiotics. That's the scorched earth approach. That is not what we're talking about with silver. Bye.